So in our previous video we have understand about a kind of material or types of material out of which these objects are formed, which objects are around ourselves. Now we have understand that all objects around us are made of one or more materials. You can see on the screen, all objects around us are made of one or more kind of materials. These materials may be glass, metal, plastic, wood, cotton, paper, mud or soil. So you can understand first thing that all the objects around us are made of these kind of materials. What are these materials? Glass, metal, plastics, wood, cotton, paper, mud or soil. Now you can see in your NCERT book, page number 1, activity 1 is given. Now what is given in activity 1? You all have to do activity 1 in your file paper. Beta, remember we have done so many activities up till now in chapter 3. Similarly, we have to do this activity from chapter number 4. In this activity, you all have to make a table like this, table 4.1. You can see the table 4.1 in your NCERT book. You all have to make this table on a file paper, in which what you will do, you will just find out any 10 objects. You have to find any 10 objects and you have to make second column in which materials they are made of. You have to first, if you are having a plate in your room, what you will do, you will just write plate in the object column, and then the materials out of which this plate is made, you will write these things in the second column. For example, a plate can be of steel, a plate can be of glass, a plate can be of plastics, any other. Or you know that plates are also made of mud and soils. So you can write the types of materials out of which this object is made. Similarly, you have to find out various objects that you are around. ठीक है, आप कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट अपने पास, कोई भी 10 ऑब्जेक्ट्स अपने आसपास देखिए और वो ऑब्जेक्ट किस चीज़ से बने हुए हैं उनको मटेरियल कॉलम में लिखना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ हैमर, नेल, सोप, स्पोक ऑफ अ व्हील. यू नो दैट अ हैमर और हथौड़ा जिसको बोलते हैं हैमर इज़ मेड ऑफ आयरन एंड वुड. उसमें आयरन भी होता है, वुड भी होता है. वाइल द न्यू हैमर्स दैट आर केम विद अ हैंडल ऑफ प्लास्टिक ऑल्सो. कई सारे नए जो हैंडल्स आते हैं उनमें प्लास्टिक के भी हैंडल्स होते हैं. सो यू नो दैट दीज डिफरेंट variety of objects are made of various kind of materials, and you can column all the materials into the column of material. So this is your first activity. You all have to do this. You have to separate all the 10 objects in object column and made materials they are made of in the second column. You can see another example which is given in the book is pen. Pen is an object which is around yourself and it is made of plastic and metal. How? You know that the body of the pen is made of plastic while the nib of the pen, nib जहाँ से आप लिखते हो वो किसका बना होता है? It is made of metal. ठीक है? So these things you have to do in your activity 1. Okay class? Now in the second video we will do the activity 2 which is given on the same page.